Place the vMeasure device under ambient lighting conditions. Cover your device on all 3 sides for best accuracy. Do not place the setup under direct sunlight. Place the setup on a flat, steady surface to ensure the device is not tilted. Avoid sharp lighting falling on the device. Any sharp light would cast shadows on the floor beside the SKU. For best results, avoid such instances. Do not open the vision head unit or the power unit. Never place any additional weights on the pole. Make sure the device is not exposed to moisture. The camera or the SKU should not be overexposed to light. Protect the vision head camera unit from scratches. Do not place any objects on the vision head unit. The SMP box can handle up to 230 volts. Ensure the voltage is within that limit. Do not try to change the display settings from the default setup. Ensure all the wires are firmly plugged into their respective ports. Do not disconnect the internet connection to vMeasure system at any point of time. Remove the vision head unit before you switch to another dimensioning mode.